Tundra. It's cool. The tundra is located latitudinally at 75 to 60 degrees north. The tundra only has 2 seasons, winter and summer. Summer lasts 6 to 10 weeks, with almost 24 hours of sun in that time. But even so, it doesn't reach over 7 degrees Celsius. This warm weather melts permafrost, creating bogs and shallow lakes that never drain. The tundra has a long winter. Temperature never goes above -6 degrees Celsius and is on average -29 to -34 degrees Celsius. Throughout the year, it receives on average 15 to 25 centimeters of precipitation, almost as little as the world's driest desert. Even with such little precipitation, the tundra still seems wet and soggy, due to poor drainage and slow evaporation. There are few plants in the tundra, but some examples are the bearberry, which is 5 to 20 centimeters tall, with thick bark, and is eaten by bears. The endangered Bering-sea douglasia, which is mostly found in Alaska. It is 6 centimeters tall and flowers at the end of June. And swamp tea, which in the northern tundra grows like a carpet, but in the southern tundra grows tall. One of the most well-known animals in the tundra is the polar bear. The polar bear has 2 layers of fur and a thick layer of blubber to survive the harsh climate of the tundra. It eats seals and bearberries. The females can range from anywhere in the 660 to 770 pound range, and males can usually be around 880 to 990 pounds. They are endangered due to the climate change, suffering through the melting of their habitat and shortage of food. Humans are indirectly killing off the polar bears with global warming. The Arctic fox is endangered in Norway, Sweden, and Finland, directly from humans, specifically fur hunters. They make their homes in small burrows. They weigh 6 to 12 pounds, they're about the size of a small house cat, and they will feed off of the remains of larger animals' prey. The human population in the tundra is very spread out. Due to extreme weather conditions, most of the tundra is uninhabited. Yet, it is not completely deserted, contrary to popular belief. Global warming is melting permafrost, in turn causing the collapse of the tundra's ecosystem. Permafrost contains significant amounts of dead plant material. As permafrost melts, the material decays, releasing even more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, accelerating global warming. Air pollutants can cause smog clouds that contaminate lichen, a significant food source for many of the animals in the tundra. Exploitation of oil and minerals causes physical disturbances to the tundra's ecosystem. Here is an example of a food web that would exist in the tundra. There are no current environmental efforts being made towards preserving the tundra, but here are some things that can be done. We can use alternative energy sources to minimize human-made global warming. We can establish protected areas and park reserves to restrict human influence. We can limit road construction, mining activities, and placement of pipelines. And we can limit tourism and respect local cultures.